is going to show you a basement idea for shelving, and it's going to get rid of all this clutter all over the floor, and it's going to get it all up on the wall. And it even made a big one for the totes that is 24-inch base, and you ain't going to bump your head when you walk up to it unless you're 7 feet tall
or you're Shaquille O'Neal or something.
Just shelves in the basement. I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need and how to do it real quick, so I can make a quick video and tell you guys exactly what's needed. Alright, we're going to go over here and show you guys that this product is out there. It's these metal bracket bars. I think these are about 6 feet long. All you have concrete. Make sure that you use concrete bits. They're special bits. Also go one size smaller on your bit and just clean the heck out of that hole back and forth with your drill. And if you think you're going to drill it with a regular drill, you need to have a hammer setting. If it doesn't have the hammer setting, you ain't drilling through nothing. Oh, I got the drill upstairs, but it's got a setting that has a little hammer on it. Ask somebody if you don't know what a hammer drill setting is. It's got to like rock back and forth, and it makes the drill shake real hard. So that way you can drill into these holes. Use a leveling bar to level your shelf. So what I did is I put the first bracket in the center, and then I put a shelf on it. And then before I screwed in my second bracket, I put the leveling bar right here and here, and made sure that it was centered in the bowls upstairs right now. So I'm just telling you what to do. So put the leveling bar, make sure you got it leveled, and play it off the shelf, not off the wall. Don't measure off the floor and just start thinking you're going to put a shelf in. That's not level. You'll have a crooked shelf. So get a leveling bar that's at least a few feet long. I think I went about 3 feet with the distance here. And then I got 8-foot boards. I'm going to back up here so you guys can see what I did real quick. And there's those brackets right there. These hold more weight. I think on the side of it, might have said 300 pounds. This is called a fast mount and sold at Menards. You can find it on Menards.com. And I think each bracket was like only $4 for those ones, and maybe $2.29 for these ones. And these are 10-footers. And this is a good idea for you guys, where it's not gonna bump your head. Why not have a giant shelf like that? By the way, that costs $25 if you're gonna ask. That big wide, I think it was like 24 inches. So my plan is to put those big heavy totes up top there, and then I could walk under it and it's not gonna bump me in my head, which I should have done it over here too, but I also put up this shelf system. But I mean, I had no storage upstairs, and now look at this, I got empty spots over here. Plus I'm adding another one, so I don't ever want to have to deal with not having space. So screwing those in, just make sure that you clean that hole out back and forth with that drill. Make sure it's a concrete drill bit. And I think I went over everything with that with you guys. As long as you got a leveling bar, you could level it up and down and left and right. And that's about it. So just showing you guys this cool idea that's out there and is sold in stores. Because I was confused on, do I got to use these kind of shelves in the whole basement? Or can I do something that's permanent and more out of the way and more custom to how I want it? Where I got a bunch of shelves over there. Maybe 6 of them in this space where I can only fit 4, and then I got dead space up top. So I get more from my, what do you call that? You know, your distance for shelving. I could put stuff everywhere is all. I'm going to show you guys how easy these go together. You just pop the bottom in, and there it is, it's done. You got 2 screw holes over here, where for support, you would want to put screws up in there. All you gotta just put one. I found it. For those of you guys who've never used a level, it's real simple. You just lay it left and right. I put one on this shelf bracket and one on this shelf bracket, and then just make sure that your bubble going left and right is in the center. And don't worry about these ones because those are for up and down. So when you put in your first screw in that cement block, you're gonna lay this level right up against it like that, and make sure that these are in the center. 1 and 2, you could reference on both of those, and if they're both straight, then you can just screw it into the wall. Real basic how to use a level. There's only 1 bubble for that one, but 2 for the up and down. Who knows?